Oh, hey, buddy. Don't hey, buddy, me. Today, where you been? You know how long it's been since you've been on here? Yeah, I know it's been a while, but it was Thanksgiving, Christmas. Let me explain. Jeez. I was sending applications out to other channels. Really? I mean, you could still do that if you want. I mean, I don't like I need you over. Anyway, you want me to leave? Forget all that. I'll leave. We're doing this truck. Shoot, you ain't got to tell me 10 times. 10 times? You heard me. Anyway, this is what's inside this box. Now, when I got this kit, it was in the beginning of December. Where was I? And at that time, my mother was all into this little red Christmas tree truck. Hey, I seen that. It's all over the place. So I was gonna make one of those. That's cool. That's what this is? My deadline was Christmas Day. What's wrong with Santa? Well, I actually finished on Christmas. Well, congratulations. The finishing touches. Christmas night on the truck. And I had to edit it and all that stuff, so I considered it a fail. Fail? So I thought you said you finished it. Here it is now. Didn't you finish it? Wait, yeah, you didn't hear me? You know this is a whole nother year, right? I mean, it's just a few days after Christmas. I mean, it ain't like it's a whole nother year. It's just, it's 2020, fool. Hey, whoa, let's not start the name calling. It is a new year. It was more of a description. Okay. So, like I said in the beginning, I wanted to make this box stock. Box stock. It was supposed to be the Christmas truck, but either way, it was going to be box stock. So how many kits have you put together box stock? Let's see, including this one? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that'll be one. So how many not including this one? So now I'm getting the motor together. So you just going to ignore my question like that? Yeah, I figured that. Anyway, what was your New Year's resolution? For the record, I'm ignoring this question also. What the? But I'm going to go ahead and throw this out there. Why are you so rude? I didn't make a resolution. Ew, so what? Because I figured if I wanted to change something, I could just change it. Why I gotta wait till the end of the year? Beginning of the year. Or the beginning of the year. Just change it. Okay, I feel you. Know what I'm saying? Since you asked the question, yeah, I know you already got one. I do. What is your New Year's resolution? Well, my New Year's resolution is to be extra annoying. You're great at that. To be late whenever possible. Okay. To ruin your videos as much as possible. Why? And just to make your life miserable. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, how are those applications coming? No calls yet. But as soon as I get a call, I am out of here.
If you are in need of a sidekick that's dependable, trustworthy, skilled, funny, friendly, knowledgeable, talented, Buddy is not your man, but I'm sure that with a little training, he could be darn close. Please call now. Please, I'm begging you. No takebacks either.
Wait, what was that? Huh? Oh, nothing. Did you make a whole infomercial on me? Of course I wouldn't do anything like that. Looked like you did something like that. No, let's get back to this kit. All right. Anyway, so I'm gluing everything up. Why am I getting all the finishing touches on that? Who is this? Well, I glued my windshield in the kit before I painted it. Well, that was done. I wanted to try the Charlie Mack technique. Oh, Charlie do that? Yeah. It's brilliant. I'm pretty sure he didn't invent it. Yeah, he ain't. It's just that I've always seen him do this, and I always wanted to try it. So I went ahead and tried it. Well, that's pretty cool. So there you go. I got the windows in and masked off. Now I'm using this paint, clear orange. Oh yeah, for my turn signals on the headlights. So that's as far as you gotten? Well, I mean, no. At this rate, you're never gonna finish. You don't understand it. Jeez, I'm not gonna show everything. I'm just showing you, little tidbits. And then at the end, you'll see the completed. So I've been trying to follow and keep up this whole time. Hopefully it'll look nice. We'll show everything. Just sit back and watch, buddy. Why not show the entire process? Because it's box stock. Straight out the box. Okay, I get it. The instructions and everything. Yeah. So this is one of those skipped steps that I mentioned. Whoa, my lights are still drying. I already painted the truck. Now the white that you see on it is just the line on the side. So when I get all this tape off, you'll see. And there it is. The color of the truck is a burnt orange. Burnt orange? Or whatever you want to call it. A rusty looking orange. I think it looked more blue. A dark metallic-y orange. A bluish, silverish. Yeah. Whitish, blackish, reddish, yellowish. What are you talking about? Greenish color. Anyway, I painted the wheels an aluminum color because the chrome was just too shiny. I never heard that before. Yeah, it's like I can't even see the part numbers on the chrome tree. Oh, I know what you're talking about. It's too shiny as a bat. I gotta squint my eyes, put on my sunglasses. Funny thing, as you were talking about the chrome, you actually used a Molotov pen to put more chrome on the truck. Oh yeah. I just thought I'd point that out. Huh. Well, that's not like the factory chrome. So this is what it feels like to be the smartest one in the room. The only way you would feel that is if you were in the room by yourself. Wait a minute. Anyway, I'm not good at bare metal foil. Huh? I am not the best bare metal foiler.
I am not the best bare metal foiler. Bare metal foiler. Bare metal foiler. Bare metal foiler.
I said that because of this. Wow. Yep, that's my bumper. And the only place I put bare metal foil. Yep. Oh wait, I put some on the tailgate. I mean, there was a lot of little nitpicky things that I didn't like about the truck. Like your choice of color. Is a Ford Lightning model kit, and it got side molded onto the side of the truck. Yeah, you're right. I didn't like that, and I didn't want to shave it off, so I just painted it. And actually, that's bare metal foil, black. And then another thing, the back bumper. It's a Ford Lightning, but they got this farm truck bumper on the back. Anyway, check out this show. What show? Oh. Shh. Don't tell me to be quiet.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent.